Hey folks, I'm Anton Collins. I'm a tax attorney with tax law offices. A lot of people search for how do you set up an installment agreement, a payment agreement with the IRS. Second way that you can set up an IRS installment agreement all by yourself. Now, when you file your tax return, or even if you're filing a number of tax returns and you get them all in, there's a form 9465 that is in your tax software. And you can even just Google it, Siri, print for me a 9465 or however it works. But that's the form number. And you can just tell IRS, this is the amount that I want to pay to fully pay my tax. Now, IRS is either going to approve it or not approve it. Remember going back to that first way that I said you can just call and ask for an amount? Well, this is a way to send in a form asking for an amount. IRS will either say yes or they'll say no. But for individuals, if you owe less than $50,000, then this is one of those simple ways that you can do it. It's really easy. Okay, now remember, I told you before that sometimes you have other issues in life. Like we work with business owners and people who are self-employed, and their liability tends to be more than $50,000. And businesses almost always owe multiple times over $25,000. And so you don't really get that simplified way. The point that I'm saying here is that you may just have to speak with an attorney and you get to know that person. And I can tell you the way we are. See, I like to tell people that we're a golden rule firm. If you don't know golden rule, it's like basically treat people the way that you would want to be treated. Well, how I would like to be treated is that if I have a simple problem that really does not require an attorney, I would like for that attorney to tell me. You have to be honest with your lawyer. They want the truth from you. Well, your lawyer should also be honest with you. And if you're not getting that, then you don't want to begin a relationship that way. I'm just saying, don't start a relationship with a person who you don't feel like is going to be honest with you. If you really need a lawyer, ask the person, why do I need a lawyer? And if they can tell you, you should listen. And if they cannot tell you, well, you should listen to that too.